Hi, in this video we are discussing sets in Python. Now open the Jupyter notebook using your command prompt and enter the Jupyter space notebook and hit enter. I already opened the Jupyter notebook. Now what is the sets in Python? The set is a unordered collection of elements without duplicate entries. Now how to create a sets in Python? By using the braces or using the set method and pass a tuple as a argument. Now declaring a one variable for storing your set, and you can use the type of a. Here it returns the dict, means this is the dictionary type. Now how to use the braces for a creating set? The time of declaring, you can pass any type of data without key value pair, as it indicates a this is the set type. Here you can also use type of a. Here this is the set data type, and you can print the your set, and you can also use the length of your set. Now what are the set methods in Python? You can use dir, you can pass the set object here a and click on run. Here these are the set methods. Now our set is 1 2 3 4 5. If you want to add one again, the set without duplicate entries, for example set dot add of 1. Here click on run and print set a. Here the set without duplicate entries, and we can use add 10. Here the 10 will be added to the your set. Here you can pass only one item at a time in the add method. If you want to try, you can pass list as a argument. It returns the unhashable items. Because the list is the sequence and it is the iterable. Here you can click on the run. Here it returns the unhashable type list. Now how to handle these type of errors using update method? You can use set dot update. Here you can also pass the list it supports and click on run. Here in the list item, it is the iterable in every time. The update method is used for it iterables the every index value in the list and assigned to the set a. Click on run. Here the 1 2 3 4 is already in the set, then without duplicate entries. The hello is already in the no hello is already in the set. Now hello is added to the set. If you want to use update, you can pass string and you can pass another string. You can click on the run. Here the integer and strings are different. Now you can use the difference method. And I again create a two sets. And click on the run. You can use a difference b. Here the values which contains only set a. here the values which contains only set A, because the 3 4 the set elements are matched with the B set elements, then the matched elements are skipped and it returns the only A set items. Here A does not modified. For example, you can use the difference update method. Here A will be modified. Here is B. Click on run and print A. Here it returns the same as difference method. After using the difference method, the A set does not modified. Here you can use the A for printing your set. Here the A elements are only 1 2. Before the A elements are 1 2 3 4. After using the difference update, here it returns the difference and the difference result are updated in the your A set. Here you can use the B set is updated. This is the only difference between the difference method and difference update method. Now I create a B set again. Now use the intersection. Use the A intersection B. Here click on the run. Here it returns the matched elements in both A and B. Here click on A. Here click on B. Here it returns the matching element in the your both sets. For example, create a set again. 1, 2, 100, 200. Click on run. You can also use the A dot intersection of B. Click on run. Here it returns the matching elements in both sets. Here A and B does not change. Whenever you can use the intersection update method, the sets are updated with the resulting entries. For example, A dot intersection update, use the B, click on run and print the A. Here the A set will be updated. Before the A set does not updated. Here this is the only difference between intersection and intersection update. Now here again I create a data set, A set. Now use the method symmetric difference. Here click on the run. Here use the symmetric difference. Of B. Click on the run. Here use the method symmetric difference. And click on the run. Here it returns the both sets. For example, printing set A and set B. Here it returns the both sets For example, here the set contains 10, 20. Here a set contains 100, 200. Here the matching elements are 1, 2. In the difference, it returns only a set data. Whenever you can use the difference using the symmetric, it returns unmatched set elements in both sets. Here the set A contains 100, 200. The set B contains 10, 20. These are the unmatched elements in both sets when you can use a symmetric difference. Automatically the set elements are sorted. Now use the symmetric difference update. Here print A and B. The A and B sets are not modified. You can use the symmetric difference update. Here the A set is modified. Click on the run and print A. Here the A set contains 10, 20, 100, 200. The B set contains 1 to 10, 20. Now use the discard method. Here print A dot discard of, you can pass any set item, for example 10. Here click run and print A set. Here the 10 item will be deleted. For example, A dot discard, if you pass again 10, here click on the run, it returns no error. It will simply skip the any errors the time of using the discard method, because the 10 item is not in the set A. You can use the remove method. For example, use the 10. Here it returns the error. This is the difference between remove and discard. Here you can also use the pop and click on the run. Here it returns the 100. The A contains only 20, 200. Now use the union. I create again 2 sets. Use the union A dot union of B and click on the run. Here it returns the both set values. Here without duplicating entries, automatically the set will be sorted order. For example, your S contains, for example, set 3, 2, 5, 1. You can print S. It will be sorted order without duplicate elements. Now these are the basic methods in the sets, and also use the clear. Here it is used for, it clears the all the your set data. That means it removes all your set items. After using the clear, your set will be empty. And print set, and you can also use the length of set will be 0. Now these are the basic methods. In the next video we are discussing JSON. Thank you for taking the time. Good luck.